Good morning. Just check my voice is audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Where we were? This problem was given for homework yesterday,
Yes,
maybe
sir.
in last lecture something. Okay, so whether you were in a position to solve this problem, a hint was given how we can solve this. Have you solved this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able? Miss, have you got the values of RA and RB?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. I will ask. What was the different in this problem? What was new thing was there in this? Mhm.
Support inclined होता.
Okay, that support, whatever roller support was there, it was the inclined one. So that was something new in this problem. So in each problem, you will find a little new thing. So shall I ask Mayuri, roll number 31? 31. Mayuri Patil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your answer for RA?
RA 318.07.
How much?
318.07.
107. Okay, and RB?
173.98.
173.98. Is it correct, others? Just check. Is it correct, Guru?
Sir, my RA is 203.78.
Sir, my RA is 193.48.
And my RA is 144.43.
My RA
Wait, wait, wait.
144.4.
You tell your answer. Just wait. Sakshi, you tell your answer.
144.43.
144.43. And now what is your RB?
RB is equals to 173.98.
173.98. Mansi, do you want to tell Mansi? Roll number 30.
Sir, my RB is also same.
Okay. And RA, what about RA?
साक्षीचा आहे ना ते माझं RB सेम आलंय आणि RA 22.73.
RA 22.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There may be some mistake. Let us solve this. I think many have got some different answers. I don't know why. Many of you got different answers. Maybe some
माझं same
calculation.
आलं.
सर आरबी सेम आलं फक्त आर्यच्या व्हॅल्यूज डिफरंट येत आहेत.
हा सर.
RA चे व्हॅल्यू डिफरंट येतात. Why it is?
Yes, sir.
RB चे सेम आलेत सर पण RA चे व्हॅल्यूज प्रत्येकाचे डिफरंट आहेत.
Okay, we will see then. Let's go without wasting time. We will see where we have committed mistake. So from here, I will start to write. So apply conditions of equilibrium. Which condition you have applied first? Apply conditions of equilibrium. So procedure is important.
Summation f(x) equal to 0.
Summation fx equal to 0. So tell me first what is that. So in summation fx equal to 0, as we have resolved the forces in its horizontal and vertical component or x and y component, here only we have to consider which components? Only x components or horizontal components specifically, because whatever inclined forces were there, we have converted into what? Horizontal and vertical. That's why only what we have to going to consider only horizontal component. So RAH, where it is going towards right, so it will be positive. RAH, correct? Then any horizontal component, 80 cos 75, where it is going? 80 cos 75,
Negative direction of x-axis.
yes, negative. So it will be 80 cos 75. Then 50 cos 60, where it is going, towards right or left?
Right.
Towards right. So it will be positive. It will be positive, and it will be how much? 50 cos 60, no? 50 cos 60. Okay. Then RB cos 30. RB cos 30, where it is going, towards right or left? Are you able to
Left.
see here?
Left.
Towards left. So in your notebook, you will write it very precisely. Here I can't write this cos 30. Cos 30 equal to 0. From this, what you will get? RAH. What is your left cos 30?
तर
Hmm.
तो 60 cos 60 राहिला की.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3 horizontal forces plus 1. Sorry. Wait, I will add that here. Okay. Good. How much? 60 cos 60. Where it is going?
Yes.
Right, towards right.
Towards right means here I will write 60 cos 60 equal to not equal to that RB is remained still. So here minus RB, what is cos 30, no? Cos 30 equal to 0. Just check, is it correct now?
डबल झालं
Or we have-
डबल झालं की सर आरबीच. अगोदर बरोबर होतं तेवढंच लिहून.
Okay, calculate cos 30, how much it is? What is value of cos 30? Calculator it should be with you. What is value of cos 30? It's so difficult. Immediately you should tell cos 30. Only 2 buttons you have to press.
0.86.
0.86.
0.86 RB. Now remaining, calculate all that term. Remaining these three term, minus 80 cos 75 plus 50 cos 60 and this plus 60 cos 60.
मायनस
Minus 34.29.
Or shall I give in equal to format or in this way only? Minus,
Equal to minus 34.29.
be careful, because this term, whatever you have calculated, once it will go to other side, it will become negative.
माझं असं आलंय सर.
No.
माझं पण
मग
असं
check
चालेल
करा. किती आलं equal to how much it is?
मायनस 34.29.
34.29. Let us say I will give equation number 1. सगळ्यांचं यायला पाहिजे. Minimum 10 to 15 students should be with this answer. Minimum I am saying. So we can understand. If suppose we were in class, almost 80% students should get this answer. More than 80, not 80 also. Almost 95%. 1 or 2 students may commit mistake. But as here we can see online, at least I want 5-6 students, at least they should tell answer. If someone is the answer going wrong, immediately you have to tell, sir, my answer is this. Then we will see where you have committed mistake. So what I have told, you have to calculate this first term, minus 80 cos 75 plus 50 cos 60 plus 60 cos 60. So this term you have to calculate. Once we are going to put in other side, we should change its sign. Is it correct? Anybody got other answer rather than this? It is not possible for me to check each and every step answer. I can check final, but not in between. Is it correct? Can somebody got here some other answer or it is the same? असंच आहे का सगळ्यांचं? Almost majority वेगळं आलंय कोणाचं इथं काय? Otherwise I have to check. Okay. Then summation fy. Summation fy equal to 0. Tell me now, what will be that? RAV, which is going upward. Then this minus 1 by 1 we will take minus 60 sin 60 minus 60 sin 60 minus 80 sin 75 minus
Yes,
sin
sir.
75 minus 60, sorry, minus 50 sin, how much it is? 60?
60.
Yes. And which is remained plus
RB. Sin
RB
30.
sin 30. Sin 30 is half, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then RAV plus 0.5 RB. Now tell me remaining term. Calculate at this side only. And then just while telling to me, just change its sign. So once it will go to other side of
Equal to 172.53.
1,
72.53.
0.53. Others also, please reply. Is it correct? 172.53.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we got two equations in which RB is common till now. In which RB is common. Till now, okay. So third equation now. Summation of moment due to all the forces with respect to which point we have to take?
A.
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 A only. If you will take other than A, you will go in indeterminate structure. Number of unknowns is going to be increased. So that's why you should enter or you should get that point only. So now tell me one by one. So both the reactions will be passing through point A. As it is passing through point A, we are not going to consider. Next, horizontal forces. All horizontal forces are going to pass through point A. So there is no question to consider. Now only vertical forces we have to consider other than RAV and RAH. So 60 sin 60. It will apply force at 60 sin 60. How object will rotate?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
What is it? Clockwise. 60 sin 60. Okay. And how this will be plus? What is the distance now? Distance we have to say. How much it will be?
1
See the
meter.
diagram.
1 meter.
1. 1 we will take. We are not going to consider unit here. Next. 80 sin 75. How object will rotate?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Again clockwise. Then what is the distance of that force from point A? You have to see
3.
this left hand side
3.
figure. 3.
3.
It will be 3. Then 50 sin 60. Again it is going to rotate clockwise. 50
Clockwise.
sin 60 into
5.5.
5.5.
so 1 plus 2 plus 2.5. 5.5. 5.5. Next. Anything is remained? Most important. RB sin 30 is remaining.
RB
Object will rotate
minus RB sin 30.
minus RB sin 30, no?
Yes.
RB sin 30. And what is the distance of that force?
6.
6.
Into 6 equal to 0. I will remove this. Calculate from this. Is it possible to calculate RB carefully from this? Is it possible to calculate RB carefully? That RB term you can take to other. It will become plus. So just calculate this remaining term. Whatever I have written here. That means you would calculate it. I will take
173.98.
Yes, sir. 173.90.
Same, sir.
So from this you will get RB. RB equal to. Are you telling RB value of RB directly?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 173.98
98.
kilonewton. Okay. RB one equation, one value. There is no question. Any other? Can somebody have got some other value? कोणाची वेगळी आली का? नसेल तर आपण पुढे जाऊ. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1. From equation number 1. What is that? If you will put value of RB in equation number 1, so here it is equation number 1. Which value you will get? Which value भेटेल?
RAH.
RH.
Now here space is not available. I have written from equation number 1 RAH. You tell me what is the value. हे simple mathematics मी सांगणार नाही. RB ची व्हॅल्यू तिथे ठेवली.
116.38.
38.
In calculator, what you are going to do? Minus 34.21. This RB term will go to this side. Right hand side, it will become plus 0.86 into value of RB. You calculate that then. RAH. Being now first year student, you should know now from equation 1 how to find RAH. RB we are knowing right now. So it is very simple to find RAH. That negative term, it will go to other side, it will become positive. Tell me what is value of RAH?
116.38.
1
116.
116.38
38.
kilonewton. It may be kilonewton. Is it correct? Others, if you someone has got some other
Yes,
answer,
sir.
immediately.
Same, sir.
Correct, sir.
Same, sir.
Next, from equation 2. What you will get from equation 2? Suppose we put value of RB in equation 2. So those who are
RAV.
not under, we will get RAV. We will get RAV. What will be that? Tell me. That simple mathematics I will not tell now. So 172.53 minus 0.5 into value of RB, 173 into 98. What is the value of RAV?
85.54.
85.54
54.
kilonewton. Now from how we are going to find RA? RB already we found out. What will be that? RA, what is the formula? RA equal to what is formula?
RAH square
V square.
plus
plus RAV.
RAV square.
Tell me now. First, what? Don't go directly for root. First, make square of first term, then plus make square of other term, and then take root. In that way, you have to go. Don't take directly root. इथं काय करायचं? पहिल्या टर्मचा पहिल्यांदा स्क्वेअर करायचा प्लस दुसऱ्या टर्मचा स्क्वेअर करायचा आणि जे काय आन्सर येईल त्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट फक्त त्याला स्क्वेअर रूट वर प्रेस करायचं. You will get square root of this. I don't know. Are you knowing to find it? Are you able to find
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of RA? Mayuri, what is your value? 31.
सर 144.43 येते मग अशी चुकलेलं सर.
कुठं mistake झाली तुमची? मयुरी
144.43 किती येते सेम?
Yes, sir.
सेम.
someone was saying, I think Rutuja were saying RA value is different for different. सगळ्यांची वेगळी आहे. Where you have committed mistake, Rutuja?
सर बहुतेक कॅल्क्युलेशन करतानाच माझं काहीतरी चुकलंय. मी आता बघते सर.
Others, those who have got some wrong answer, you check where you have committed mistake. Actually, here we are knowing means everyone should reach to one particular answer or one only unique answer. सगळे मिळून, including me and you, we should reach to one unique answer. Okay, because problem is same. So when I was studying like you, applied mechanics or engineering mechanics, so at that time I remembering still now, my teacher what he was doing, he is giving one problem to one row or second problem to different value, third row different value. So there is no question. In row we have to cross check our answer. Here what we are doing, unique problem we are giving to all. So answer should be unique one. And that teacher, I remembering, he still his teaching. How was his teaching? He don't come with any problem, etc. ही इज क्रिएटिंग द प्रॉब्लेम ऑन द स्पॉट. एक बीम घ्यायची सर, त्याची लेंथ काहीतरी डिफरंट फोर्सेस अप्लाय करायचे आणि सॉल्व्ह इट. दॅट इज द स्पेशालिटी ऑफ आवर सब्जेक्ट. In our subject, understanding concept is important, procedure is important, not the value. Values are not important. तुमची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे ते महत्वाचं नाही. आर यू फॉलोइंग करेक्ट प्रोसिजर, दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. n number of problems are possible, n number of problems, anything. तुम्ही किती हजार प्रॉब्लेम तयार करू शकता, but are you knowing how to solve it, that is important. Okay, shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
कुणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे
Hello,
का
sir.
याच्यामध्ये? हा,
मगाशी कोणाच तर आन्सर सर 143 आलतं ना सर?
143 actually. Are you telling about for this RA?
येस सर.
कुणाचा आला answer 143 point something? Is there anyone from our class who got this answer?
No, sir.
Maybe you have heard. Okay,
नो सर,
maybe you might have.
144.43 होता.
Okay, means 143 or 144, it may be some, we can say, round up. म्हणजे आपण डेसिमल पॉइंट नंतर राऊंड अप करण्यात तेवढे होऊ शकते. So we cannot say it is exactly what we can say wrong. We can understand one. It is allowed.
सर, तो जर व्हर्टिकली 60 डिग्री घेतला तर जो व्हर्टिकल कॉम्पोनंट आहे तो कॉस 60 यायला पाहिजे. आय थिंक त्या बुक मध्ये काहीतरी त्यांनी साइन 60 घेतले, मग तिथे आन्सर डिफरंट आहे त्याचा.
कुठं म्हणता तुम्ही? हा, म्हणजे ऍट रोलर सपोर्ट यू आर टेलिंग, ऍट द रोलर
हा, जर तो व्हर्टिकल घेतला तर व्हर्टिकल बरोबर केलेला अँगल ना 60 म्हणजे कॉस 60 यायला पाहिजे व्हर्टिकल कॉम्पोनंट. तर त्या बुक मध्ये काहीतरी साइनच
sir,
घेतले वाटतं,
different
तिथे
आहे.
डिफरंट आन्सर आहे.
आन्सर डिफरंट आलेत बुक मध्ये.
Yes, sir.
हा, आरबी
sir.
पण वेगळा आन्सर आहे. पण सर आम्ही डबल चेक करून बघितलं, ते तिथं त्यांनी कॉस 60 घ्यायचं, ते साइनच घेतले 60.
Okay, then I will check also. I will also check. Is it the case? I think it will not be. I will check once again. Don't worry. But we have followed correct procedure. Don't worry. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
येस.
See this. Just see. I have Mayuri Patil is there. Roll number
Yes, sir.
31.
Yes, sir.
Mayuri, one message I have sent yesterday regarding email. Have you got?
Yes, sir. मी सेंड केलाय. Miss.
Okay, you can send that screenshot to me and Avtad madam. One more. 29 roll number. Pranali. Pranali. Pranali, I am audible. 29. Pranali Parade. An overhanging beam. Which is the type of beam? First word itself it is saying an overhanging beam. Why we are going to call this as overhanging beam?
Supported at only one end only.
Is it the case? Is it supported at only one end? See carefully diagram.
No.
How many supports are there?
Two supports.
Two supports.
Two supports आहेत.
Two.
Which are they?
Roller and hinged.
Roller and hinge. Very good. What is the total span of this beam? Or more precisely, I will do like this because you may not be understanding how much it is. And this total is. What is the span of this beam? First, you have to understand the problem. Don't make hurry.
8.5.
Hmm?
8.5, sir.
8.5.
8 point. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Which is the type of beam?
Overhanging beam.
Overhanging.
Very good. Overhanging. Why we are going to call it as overhanging?
There supports at one or both end.
What? One or both end?
One support is inside of the end of the beam.
End and support.
Very good. One support is inside.
Yes.
Support असं तुमचं म्हणणं आहे की तो आतमध्ये आहे. हेच तुम्ही दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने how you are going to tell in other way? Beam is present beyond the support. Beam हा सपोर्टच्या नंतर सुद्धा आहे समोर. That's why it is overhanging. You are telling correctly, but something wording should be something like this. Beam is present beyond support. एका सपोर्टच्या अजून समोर कुठं आहे किंवा पुढं म्हणू आपण, नॉट समोर, पुढं beam आहे. That's why we are going to call it as overhanging beam. Just see carefully. Types of support we have seen, span we have seen. Now tell me which type of loads are applied on this beam.
Uniformly distributed.
Okay, uniformly distributed again, or is it the only uniformly distributed?
Uniform varying
Varying.
and uniform
Yes, sir.
distributed.
Uniform varying load.
Okay,
And
uniformly
point
varying
load
load.
also.
Yes, sir.
Point load
Three,
also.
three types of load are supported in this diagram.
Three types of loads are
Sir,
applied, not
point
supported.
load also there.
Yes, point load is also there. Even one moment is also there. Are you observing?
Movement is also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is from this problem is from university book. University la minimum 10 to 12 marks. It may be asked. University exam मधला problem आहे म्हणजे सगळंच कव्हर झालं याच्यामध्ये. All three types of loads. Even one moment is also there in this. So let us convert
Sir,
it to FBD.
त्या असाइनमेंटला दिलेला पण क्वेश्चन तेवढा चेक करा की म्हणजे आपल्याला काही मुवमेंट काढताना फक्त फोर्सेस, डिस्टन्स आणि त्याची डायरेक्शन माहित झाली की मग डिस्टन्स कसं जरी काढलं तर ते आन्सर सेमच यायला पाहिजे ना.
काय म्हणताय परत एकदा सांगा जरा. What you want to tell?
त्या असाइनमेंट मध्ये दिलेला जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे ना तो एक्सप्लेन करा एकदा हे झाल्यानंतर
Okay.
परत.
If you have solved, take proper image and send me. I will check. Otherwise, we will solve maybe in tomorrow's lecture. Have one that. You try it. If not, we will solve in next lecture, probable, or if time permit in this lecture. Believe on your procedure. तुम्ही तुमच्या प्रोसिजरवर ठाम असाल तर आन्सर डझंट मॅटर. ते काय आपण युनिव्हर्सल आन्सर नाही. ते जे आन्सर आहे ते असेच लाईक अस म्हणजे आमच्यासारख्याने कॅल्क्युलेट करून तिथं टाकलेले आहेत. नॉट ओनली मी बट अदर टीचर्स ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो. डोंट बिलीव्ह. इफ यू आर बिलिव्हिंग ऑन युअर प्रोसिजर दॅट आन्सर मे बी रॉंग. यू माइट बी करेक्ट. असंही होऊ शकतं. म्हणजे स्टँडर्ड आहे ते. आन्सर दिलं ते बरोबरच असेल. आय एम ऑल्सो डाऊटफुल बिकॉज इट इज सॉल्व्ड बाय अस. ते आम्ही किंवा दुसऱ्या शिक्षकांनी सोडवून ते आन्सर टाकलेले आहेत. आम्ही कमिट करू शकतो मिस्टेक समवेअर. जस्ट चेक युअर प्रोसिजर. आय विल चेक ऑल्सो युअर प्रोसिजर. Sakshi is there was telling Sakshi yourself.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, you can take good image of photo, good image, and you send me. I will check whether you
Okay.
have did correct procedure. If you have did correct procedure, don't worry. Don't worry of answer.
पण सर बाकीच्यांचे आलेत आन्सर पण त्यांनी वेगळ्या प्रकारे अँगल घेतले.
Okay, I will see. How many reactions will be there at point B, at point A? If it is here,
2
I will take point C. At point C, hinged support is there, and here I will take point B. See carefully. How many reactions will be there? A, B, C. Is there any reaction at point A? कुठली reaction असेल का A point ला? Is there any support at point A?
No, sir.
No.
Point ला
No, sir.
there is no support. So where is the question of reaction? लक्षात येतं का बघा, सपोर्टच नाही point A ला. So there is no question of reaction. At point C, how many reactions will come?
Two reaction.
Two reaction.
Either you can give name as A or C, that doesn't matter. We are supposed to find reactions at support. So its name doesn't matter what you are giving name. Your value should come same. So I will give as RC, where we will give so R C H I have to, so not H V, RCV, vertical component of RC. And in which direction we will take this? Towards right hand side or towards left hand side? कुणीकडे घ्यायचं सांगा first. Horizontal component of reaction C. Shall I take towards right?
Yes,
Let it
sir.
be. Let it be. If finally it will take negative, then we have to take it towards right. Now let us convert this uniform distributed load into point load. What will be the intensity of point load then? If we are going to convert uniform distributed load into point load, किती intensity असेल हो त्याची?
40 kilonewton.
40
kilonewton.
Why it is 40? Because 20 into 2, 40. And where it will be? कुठल्या पॉइंटला असेल हो? A पासून किती अंतरावरती असेल?
1 meter. 1 meter.
1 meter. So here there will be 40 kilonewton, no? Okay, and this will be 1 meter. Distances you can see. I will write in short 1 meter. Next, C point is over. Then 50 kilonewton. There is no question. Already it is given. I will apply here. How much? 50, no? And distance is also given 1.5. There is no question. Next one is moment. It is given. Not to worry. Something like this. Given moment. How much it is? 40 kilonewton meter. Next one. Which load is remain now? Uniformly varying load.
Varying.
Uniformly varying load. What will be the intensity of that load? Equal to what we have seen? Equal to
Area of right angled triangle.
area of right angle the triangle. Then what will be the area of right angle the triangle? 1/2 into 2.5 into 40. So 40 divided by 220, 20 divided by 2.5. How much it will be? 20 into 2.5. किती होतं? 50?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
50.
50.
Are you sure? 20 to 4?
Yes, sir.
50. Now
Yes.
where we have to show that? Where we have to show that?
Right to sum of x.
Hmm? Maybe somewhere here. 50 kilonewton. But at what point we have to show from point B? B पासून किती अंतरावर दाखवायचो? From the back or from the A? From the front or from the back? किती दाखवू सांगा?
1.66.
No. In terms of 2.5 you can tell. Don't worry.
1.5 from B.
1.5? आपण 2.5 चे 3 भाग करू शकतो का? 2.5 चे exactly
1.67 sir.
in terms of like this also you can tell 2/3 into
2.5 into 2/3.
or 1/3 into 2.5. In this way also you can tell. Don't tell a calculation also. So 1/3 means 1/3 from back or from front. The distance किती असेल? Is it 1.1/3 by 2.5? एवढा असेल? From back I'm saying. Automatically from front how much it will come? तर ते कुठून घ्यायचं काही कळणार नाही आपल्याला from front. Because here it is not possible. That's why I have taken from the back. मी काल सांगितलं होतं बघा टोकाकडून किती घ्यायचं 2/3 or from the back 1/3. आता काय करणार आहे आपण from the back we are going to take 1/3. Okay, so whatever it will come. किती ते बघा 2.5 divided by 3. काय येईल ते?
0.83.
Whatever it will come, don't worry. 0.83 exactly. or some
Yes,
digits
sir.
are still there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much?
0.83. 0.83.
0.83. Okay. It may come. Now, is there anything is remained now in this problem? Only distances you have to take carefully. Nothing else. Shall we start then?
Yes.
Apply. बघा काय राहिलंय का? Because it is university problem. There may be something which we should not miss. Apply. Summation fx equal to 0. All the forces are with you. Which forces we are going to consider here? Only horizontal. Okay, so RCH. How RCH is? Towards right we have assumed. So it will be in that way only. Is there anything? Any other horizontal force? Is there any horizontal force? आहे का कुठला horizontal force?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Means directly we can tell. RCH is going to become 0. No issue. Okay. Then summation Fy equal to 0. Tell me now. RCV, which will come positive. Okay, then which is again RB, then minus 40, minus 50, again minus 50,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
again minus 50. Are you going to consider moment 40 kilonewton meter? आपल्याला ते करावं लागेल का इथं? हा?
No.
Whether we have to moment
No.
40.
No, sir.
We should not. We should not. Only in calculation of moment we have to consider that moment. If you will add here plus 40, your answer will be wrong. Keep in mind. So RCV plus RB equal to how much? 140.
140.
140. We will get equation number 1. Okay, next summation of moment due to all forces at point
C.
C. We have to take. Tell me now. Due to this 40 leftmost 40 kilonewton force, how object will rotate at point C?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Then anti-clockwise moment is
Negative.
Negative.
negative. 40 into, what is the distance of that force from point C? Huh? How much?
1.
1.
1.
1 meter. 1 meter. 1. Next, 50 kilonewton force. How object will rotate with respect to point A? Clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. What is the distance of that 50 kilonewton force? Now see this leftmost figure. You can see how much it is distance. 1.5.
3
Yes,
point.
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then that moment we have to take moment. How much it is?
40 kilometers.
40
40
kilonewton.
kilonewton.
At what distance it is from point C?
3 meter.
1.5 plus 1.5. Shall I multiply here by 3?
No, sir.
Shall I multiply? इथं बघा स्पेसिफिक दिसतंय का तुम्हाला? इथं पॉइंट दिलाय बघा तुम्हाला. पॉइंट केलाय असा त्यांनी, मग त्याचं डिस्टन्स दाखवलंय किती वरती आहे तो. बिकॉज इंटेन्शनली दे वॉन्ट टू मेक फुल. तुम्हाला मुद्दाम फुल बनवायचं त्यांना इथं. त्यांनी तिथे एक पॉइंट केलाय स्पेसिफिक आणि त्याचंही डिस्टन्स दिलंय. नॉट नेसेसरी. त्या बीम वरती कुठेही दाखवा. इट डझंट मॅटर. इफ यू मल्टिपल बाय हिअर 3, युअर आन्सर विल गो रॉंग. तुमच्या लक्षात आलं का इथं? इंटेन्शनली तुम्हाला त्याचंही डिस्टन्स दिलं. काय काय गरज आहे का त्याची द्यायची डिस्टन्स? इंटेन्शनली दिलंय बघा, इंटेन्शनली. बिकॉज यू शुड कमिट मिस्टेक. एक्झामिनरला असं तुम्हाला मुद्दाम मिस्टेक कडे न्यायचं आहे. यू वॉन्ट टू बी यू कमिट अ मिस्टेक. It doesn't matter. It don't have any relation of distance because already it is calculated. Moment हे calculate करून दिलेलं आहे. फक्त ते प्लस ऑर मायनस डिपेंडिंग ऑन इट्स साइन यू हॅव टू टेक. इथं डिस्टन्सचा काहीही विचार करायचा नाही. पण तुम्हाला स्पेसिफिक दाखवले बघा की ते 3 डिस्टन्स 3 इट इज ऍट अ डिस्टन्स ऑफ 3 फ्रॉम पॉइंट सी. इंटेन्शनली दाखवले की तुम्ही मिस्टेक कमिट करावी. दॅट्स वाय. Is it necessary to consider distance while considering moment 40 kilonewton meter?
No.
No.
No, sir.
We should not. Only we have to add or subtract depending upon sign. Okay, इथं चुकून ही distance ने multiple करू नका. There is no use further. तुम्ही चूक केली मग इथं. You have committed mistake. Further procedure will go wrong. You will get 0 mark directly. Next force 50 kilonewton. Tell me at what distance it is now. And how moment will be clockwise, so it will be plus into distance. You tell me distance, how much it will be. What is the distance of point C? What is distance between point C and B? C and B मतलब distance किती आहे? 1.5 plus 1.5 3 4 6.5. Is it correct? 6.5 मधून कुठलं डिस्टन्स मायनस करणार म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्या फोर्सचं डिस्टन्स मिळेल 50. 0.83.
0.83.
मेक इट 6 minus 0.83. किती येते सांगा, मी कधी तुम्ही तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. 6.0.83 किती येते ते?
5.70.
5.6.
सर
5.
ते डिस्टन्स आपण ह्या इकडनं
पाठीमागून काढलंय ते 1.1/3 म्हणलंय ना मी, नॉट 2/3. टोकाकडून 2/3 आला असं. ते काढू शकता तुम्ही. 2/3 ऑफ 2.5 किती येते?
1.66 येते.
Whatever, then you can add from this first side. 5 point, how much it is?
6, 7.
6, 7.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
1.7, sir.
1.7, sir.
How come it will 6, 7? It should be 1, 7.
तर 6.5 मधून ते 0.83 मायनस करायचं.
मग किती येते? 5.17
5.17 येते सर.
7 कोणीतरी. Next, RB. How object will rotate due to force RB? Anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise?
Yes, sir.
So it will be plus or minus then? Minus?
मायनस.
मायनस.
Then it will be minus. Minus RB. What is the distance between reaction RB and point C?
6.5.
0.5.
3, 4, yes, 6.5
तर
equal to 0.
6.5 मधून मायनस करायचंय ना सर?
नाही ते मोमेंट घेत असताना या 50 किलोन्यूटन फोर्सची. हा 6.5. yes, you are correct. Not from 6, 6.5 because totally 6.5, no? Point C to B 6.5 आहे ना?
येस सर.
Yes, yes.
6.7 येते.
0.67 येते ना मग.
5.67, sir.
Yes, yes. 6.5 is total, no? And from that we have to minus 0.83. What is that? Just check.
5.67.
Somebody was told correctly, but confidence was not there. I think Rohini, I think you were told that answer.
नाही सर, तिनं म्हणली पण होती त्याच्यातनं 6.5 मधनं करायचंय, पण बाकीच्या सगळ्यांनी सांग.
No, that we should be confident for our answer. Let it be wrong. जगात माणसं खोटं बोलून काय काय अचीव करतात यू डोंट नो. आपण खरं का बोलायचं नाही, जे आहे ते आहे. 5.67. Somebody has given answer, but confidence was not there. You might have told, no, sir, totally 6.5. You have taken 6 likewise. Calculate RB. Is it possible to calculate RB? Will you? काढू शकताय का अजून सिम्प्लिफाय करू हे इक्वेशन? करायची गरज आहे का हे सिम्प्लिफाय का काढू शकता आरबी सांगा. थोडं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन तुमची तुम्ही करत चला. बघा बरं किती येईल. इक्वली एवढी टर्म काढा आधी -40 प्लस 50 इंटू 1.5 प्लस 40 प्लस वॉटेवर 50 इंटू. आता इथं ब्रॅकेट वगैरे देत बसू नका, डायरेक्ट इथं लिहा. जर तुम्ही ब्रॅकेट द्यायला विसरला तर ते चुकणार आन्सर. दॅट्स वाय यू राईट हिअर 50 इंटू 5.67. कॅल्क्युलेट दॅट मच डिवायडेड बाय 6.5 करा आणि आन्सर सांगा किती येतं.
55.15.
अदर्स कोण सांगितलं आन्सर? सीमा, रोल नंबर 1 यू हॅव टोल्ड.
No, sir.
ओके.
येस सर,
told 50.
55.15.
सेम सर.
सेम.
सेम सर.
सेम सर.
55.15 ना.
येस सर, 15.
Okay. It is correct answer. This one is correct. Don't worry. Next. 55 one reaction we found. Now what? From equation number 1, where is this? From equation number 1. From equation number 1, value of RCV. What will be that? Just check. RCV 140 minus this much. How much it is?
84.85.
84.80.
84.85.
80.
4.85.
85.
Yes, sir.
हा sir.
Okay, then what will be R? Because one of the component of that force is 0. So what will be RC? RC किती
RCV.
असेल?
RCV.
RC equal to RCV equal to 84.85 kilonewton. Who will tell here why one of the that horizontal component came 0 of RC? RC चा horizontal component 0 का आला, कोण सांगते? दुसरं का आला वासे, कोण सांगतोय?
दुसरा हॉरिझॉन्टल फोर्स नाही.
Why? का आलो?
No
Because
other
no any other force is inclined. त्याच्यावरती कुठलाच फोर्स इन्क्लाइंड नाही, त्याच्यामुळं horizontal it will not oppose to horizontal movement. Whatever forces are there, it was vertical only. त्याच्यामुळे तिथं व्हर्टिकलच कंपोनंट आला, हॉरिझॉन्टल आलेला नाही. एक जरी फोर्स याच्यामध्ये इन्क्लाइंड असता, इन्क्लाइंड, then it might have come some other RCH. त्याच्यामुळे RCH आला असता, पण कुठलाच फोर्स इथे इन्क्लाइंड पण नाही. हॉरिझॉन्टलचा तर क्वेश्चनच. डायरेक्टली हॉरिझॉन्टल फोर्स नसतातच बीम मध्ये जनरली, बिकॉज इट इज टेकिंग व्हर्टिकल लोड and inclined. Horizontal load it will not take. Okay, shall I give one problem for homework?
Yes,
It
sir.
will be last problem from the beam madla last problem, and up to this problem I think, yes, this will be last problem, and up to this our syllabus will be there for IEC. इथपर्यंत आपला IEC चा सिलेबस असेल. ओके, या प्रॉब्लेम पर्यंत. IEC is on after 2-3 days, so you can practice from your notebook. You might be having book as well. Okay, can someone read?
Find the reactions offered by the supports if the beam is loaded at and supported as shown in the figure.
Very good. Just check which type of supports, which type of beam is this?
Simply supported.
Are you sure? Who told simply supported? Just check once again carefully. See the diagram carefully and let me know. Don't make hurry. Which type of beam? This is also from university exam problem. This problem is also from university exam. युनिव्हर्सिटीला विचारला होता प्रॉब्लेम, विचारलेला आहे. Which type of beam is this?
Overhanging.
Overhanging. You can see leftmost 5 kilonewton force where it is applied beyond the support. सपोर्टच्या बाहेर नंतर बीम गेला आणि तिथं लावलेला आहे तो 1 मीटर. लेट इट बी 1 मीटर और हाफ मीटर और पॉइंट नॉट 1 मीटर. सपोर्टच्या बाहेर गेला ना, इट इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड सपोर्ट मीन्स इट इज ओव्हरहँगिंग. It is as simple as this. Okay, which type of supports are there? One is roller and another one is
Overhanging.
another one is
Supports.
what? I will give name here as a C. I will give point C. So is there any reaction at point C? And तिला कुठली reaction?
No.
It will not be. How many reactions will be there at point A? 2.
Two
I will
reactions.
take R,
Two reaction.
A, B. R, A, H. Here I will give point A. Okay. A. Then how much, what will be the intensity of 5 kilonewton? That UDL ची intensity किती असेल हो?
15.
15.
15. And at what distance from point A? A पासून किती अंतरावरती तो 15 किलोन्यूटनचा फोर्स अप्लाय करावा लागेल आपल्याला?
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. So it will be of 15 kilonewton. Okay, that we have converted. What is this 10 kilonewton meter? Moment.
Moment.
It is moment. So if you will show okay, if you will not show okay, let us show it that 10 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton meter. Next, 30 kilonewton force inclined at 45 degree with horizontal. So what will be its vertical component? Maybe somewhere here. Distances you have to take from data. What will be its vertical component? 30 sin or cos 45?
Sine 45.
Sin 45. And what will be its horizontal component? 30
30 cos 45.
Cos 45.
cos 45. Next, this 20 kilonewton force. There is no question. It is directly vertical. Not to apply or not to worry about that. 20 kilonewton. Last thing is remain now. Reaction. Reaction is remain. Now tell me, what will be the angle made by reaction either with horizontal or with vertical? किती केला असेल हो? That surface is inclined at 30 with horizontal. Then reaction at that surface or on that surface will make same angle with vertical.
30 degree.
30 degrees. Sir.
30 degree with
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Vertical.
Vertical.
with vertical.
Vertical.
30 with vertical. मग त्याच रिएक्शनने हॉरिझॉन्टल चे केलेला अँगल किती असेल मग?
60.
बघा मी काय म्हणतोय, इथं असा आहे, असा सरफेस आहे, इथं पॉइंट आहे सपोज. ओके, तर अशी रिएक्शन केलेली आहे. हा जो अँगल असेल तो हा किती असेल? 30.
30.
30. आणि आपल्याला कुठला अँगल दिलाय? इथं आला 90, हा आला 30 विथ व्हर्टिकल. This angle is given for this. I want how much angle it will make with horizontal. Horizontal angle किती केलेला असेल?
Sir,
60. 60.
किती केलेला असेल? 30 का 60?
60.
60.
60. घ्या कंपोनंट व्हर्टिकल, हॉरिझॉन्टल सी 60 म्हणतोय बरं का मी. मग काय येणार त्याचा कंपोनंट? आरबी Sin 60, and suppose in this way I will take this RB into cos, no, horizontal. Are you getting? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how many unknowns are there now? How many unknowns are there?
4.
Hmm? 4?
Three.
Which are they?
Three unknowns.
Three unknowns.
3 unknowns. And how many equations of or conditions of equilibrium we are having?
3.
3.
3. So is it possible to solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
सर सी वर 5 किलोन्यूटनचा फोर्स दिला.
Huh? काय म्हणलं? Yes, yes. Okay. That is remained. Very good. So at point C, a 5 kilonewton force is still there. So will you solve this as homework?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
I want. So here, 2 answers I want. RA is equal to how much? And RB is equal to how much? Let us see. Shall I tell answer for cross checking?
No, sir, no.
No, sir.
Okay, then, if possible, we will solve. Up to this, our syllabus for IEC will be there. So just within 1 minute, I will take attendance. Then we will stop for today. Roll number 7, absent. Roll number 7, 12. Okay, remaining all are present. 7 and 12 are absent. Shall we stop with this?
सर मंडेला असाइनमेंटचं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करा.
Okay, we will discuss. If you have
Awesome.
solved, you can also go to send that. Take a proper good image. You can send me. I will check where you have committed mistake. Otherwise, we will solve. Don't worry. Shall we
सर
stop then?
हा सर चालतं.